Have the oil in the pan while you're making a pancake batter. And as you see, the batter is kind of like, you gotta have it that type of consistency. And so I was just putting the Oreos in a bowl and then putting them on there because that's like the easiest way. Because if you put it on a plate, then the batter's gonna come off the Oreo. It doesn't take that long for it to get good and brown. And then we put some powdered sugar on it, and then that's the end of it. That's all you have to do. I'm about to try a fried Oreo. Let's see. Yeah. Yes, just the right amount of fried pancake batter on there, yes. Because that's the flavor. They be having it packed on there, but this is the right amount. So if you like this video, like and subscribe and comment down what more food videos you want me to make or just other videos in general. Peace.